Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg rolls for sale. Start by choosing a single signature, filling and testing it until flavor and texture are consistent. Develop a portioning plan so each roll uses the same weight and wrapper size. Calculate ingredient cost per roll, then set a retail price that covers labor, packaging, and profit. Keep labels and storage clear for safe, repeatable sales. Create a reliable filling base using cooked protein, vegetables, seasonings, and binders like egg or cornstarch. Portion each filling to 2 oz and place on a standard 3/5-inch wrapper to ensure consistent roll size. Seal edges with a light egg wash and rest rolls briefly before frying or baking. Test small batches to perfect timing and texture, then document steps so anyone can replicate the result. Choose frying for classic crispness at 350 degrees F, or offer a baked option to appeal to health-conscious customers. Drain on racks to keep outsides crisp and store in vented containers for short-term sale. For delivery, use insulated carriers. Label packages with ingredients, allergen warnings, and a use-by time. Include reheating instructions and branding to encourage repeat purchases and build trust with buyers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.